Hello dear friends, welcome to my channel In-Depth Analysis with Nitish. In this video I am going to discuss with you more updates and more international match scores happening around the world. The first I'll discuss with the Zimbabwe versus Bangladesh, the only test happening in Zimbabwe at Harare Sports Club. So the scoreboard is not looking good for Zimbabwe as they all out bundle out on day 3 at stumps on day 3. The scoreboard says that Bangladesh are 237 run ahead. Bangladesh are 237 run ahead as they have bundled out Zimbabwe for just 276 after scoring the first innings 468 mammoth score. This is mammoth score और आज सिर्फ डे 3 ख़त्म हुआ है तो बांग्लादेश का upper hand है after the end of the day 3 and Sakibul Hasan has took 4 wickets and Mehdi Hasan Miraz has took 5 wickets. He is a sensational for बांग्लादेश क्रिकेट टीम और बांग्लादेश अभी दूसरी पारी में बैटिंग कर रही है एंड दे आर 45 विदाउट लॉस एंड दे हैव द लीड ऑफ 237. द लास्ट I think 15 to 20 overs have decided the fate of the game and it tilted towards Bangladesh. Otherwise, Zimbabwe have to be cut out here for them to save this particular test match. After this particular test match, there will be the 3 ODIs played between these teams, and these 3 ODIs will be played in Zimbabwe only. So Zimbabwe are very very much lagging behind in the test match. Let me show you the scoreboard. Let me tell you the scoreboard. Scoreboard suggests not looking very good. The first 3 or 4 batsmen have got the score for Zimbabwe. Otherwise, the scorecard is very looking very ugly for Zimbabwe side. Last 5 to 6 batsmen have not able to score the double figure mark. So this is the sorry card for Zimbabwe cricket team, and they are about to lose this game until or unless they'll play the outstanding second inning, means batting early second innings में. Otherwise they have a very meager and a very less chance of saving this particular test match. Bangladesh, no doubt, they are one of the promising teams of the last 4 to 5 years. They are really proving themselves that they are the team for to beat, especially in home condition, और बाहर जाके भी वो परफॉर्म करती है. So this is the good team, Bangladesh team. Moving further, today we have yet another thrilling and entertaining game, very crucial game for Pakistan team. They want to win this game to be alive in the series. Otherwise they'll lose the series to this third or fourth string team of England. There is only one player whom the people know about him, that is the Ben Stokes, who is the current England team captain ODI, and hoping that this team will continue to play in the T20 also for I'm talking about England team. उधर बाबर आजम के लिए बहुत ही बड़ा मैच होगा अगर वो परफॉर्म बैटिंग से नहीं कर पाते, अगर वो उनकी टीम फिर से हार जाती है लॉर्ड्स के ऑलमोस्ट फुल क्राउड के सामने, तो आज बहुत ही उन पर सवाल उठ जाएगा. उनकी बैटिंग तो सवाल उठता ही है कि वो अपने लिए खेलते हैं, पाकिस्तान के सपोर्टर्स ऐसा कहते हैं, और दूसरी तरफ उनकी कैप्टनशिप तो झलकती है कि वो अभी शायद उतना कैप्टनशिप के लायक नहीं है, शायद उन पे एक लीडरशिप क्वालिटी नहीं झलकती है. सो अकॉर्डिंग टू मी पाकिस्तान नीड्स टू वेट. अब उन्होंने बाबर आजम को बनाया है तो लगभग 1 साल और रुक जाएं, then decide what's the role for Babar Azam as a captain or as a non-captain. As a batsman, he is good. He is very good as a batsman. I don't think there is no point of criticizing Babar Azam for his batting style, batting technique, the runs he is scoring in the last couple of years is very much in all the formats. He is the current number 1 ODI batsman in the world, and and the ranking shows that he is a good batsman. He scores a lot of runs for Pakistan. He almost single-handedly win matches for Pakistan. But recent form has been lagging for Babar Azam against Zimbabwe, and against South Africa he has played tremendously well. But in Zimbabwe and now in this particular game they have played day before yesterday, I think they have just made the Babar Azam played for his weaklings. I think that bowler Saqib Mahmood, Pakistan need to be careful of Saqib Mahmood, but this time they need to be extra bit of careful for about that particular I think Gregory is the class bowler. His line and length is like very promising and good. His line and length एकदम सटीक है, एकदम accurate है. If you miss, you will have to you will have to be you are in danger of losing your wicket. So this the news. England versus Pakistan आज होना है मैच. सॉरी मैं कल कह देता हूँ, but sorry for that mistake yesterday. No, आज होना है मैच. England versus Pakistan second ODI at Lords. This is the do or die game for Pakistan cricket team. Otherwise they'll lose the series, and they will lose the series against not a first tier team, but the third and the fourth tier team. But they have looked good. England team have looked good. Nothing to should be taken from England. Credit नहीं लेना चाहिए इंग्लैंड से. जैक क्रॉली, डेविड मलान, फिर बेन स्टोक्स, फिर उधर से आ जाएंगे उनके, ये सब काफ़ी तगड़े बैट्समैन हैं. they will sweat Pakistan bowlers for their wickets. They will not give easy wickets, especially in the ODIs. फिर भी T20 में हो सकता है, but my prediction for this particular game, today game, I will go for England, and England is winning the series. अगर पाकिस्तान उलटफेर करती है तो इसमें कोई सरप्राइज़ नहीं होना चाहिए, क्योंकि पाकिस्तान ऑन पेपर भी अच्छी टीम है, और उनकी ये टीम में तो ऑलमोस्ट 90% खिलाड़ी तो 3-4 साल 5 साल से खेल रहे हैं. सो नथिंग, ये इंग्लैंड के लिए तो फ्री गेम हो गया. अब वो लोग माइंड सेट बना के आएगी, प्लानिंग करके आएगी. अब ये गेम वो लोग अपने अंदाज में खेलेगी, और शायद जब वो अपने अंदाज में खेलेगी फ्री माइंड होके विदाउट एनी प्रेशर, देन पाकिस्तान विल हैव टू फेस अ लॉट ऑफ ट्रबल अगेंस्ट दीज इंग्लैंड साइड्स. आई एम टेलिंग अबाउट दीज इंग्लैंड साइड. वी डोंट नो, हम लोग को तो पता नहीं है इसमें से 6-7 खिलाड़ियों का नाम. So Pakistan need to be bit careful in this particular game also. टॉस पर निर्भर करेगा, अब नहीं निर्भर करेगा, क्योंकि इंग्लैंड टॉस से जीतेगी डेफिनेटली. सुबह को बॉल स्विंग और सीम होगा डेफिनेटली एट लॉर्ड्स क्रिकेट ग्राउंड. पिच पे जान होता है लॉर्ड्स क्रिकेट ग्राउंड पर, आइदर इन ODIs, T20 या टेस्ट मैचों में जान होता है. सो इंग्लैंड विल विन द टॉस डेफिनेटली. दे विल bat first according to my opinion, my views, my observation. I'm always telling you my observation. मैं ऐसा अनुमान लगाता हूँ कि जो टॉस जीतेगा फील्डिंग करेगी. पाकिस्तान को फील्डिंग करना चाहिए. if the Pakistan restrict to under 250 and 225 like that, then they have a chance. If the England scores goes from 250 above and 270 above, I think Pakistan have a very minimal chance of winning this particular game. So we'll see in the next video. Till then, goodbye. Today itself हम लोग लाइव रहेंगे इंग्लैंड और पाकिस्तान के बीच. जो सेकेंड ODI होने वाला है उसके बीच का मैं अपडेट देता रहूँगा. प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब टू माई चैनल, लाइक द वीडियोस, लाइक करना मत भूलिए. नोटिफिकेशन बेल ऑन ऑल पर क्लिक किया कीजिए और सब्सक्राइब किया कीजिए मेरे चैनल को. टिल देन गुड बाय, बी केयरफुल, बी फिट, बी सेफ. टिल देन गुड बाय, थैंक यू. विल मीट अगेन टुडे.